Hello students, I am your maths teacher Preeti Bala Joshi. Today we will learn NCERT Chapter 2, Fun with Numbers. This is an activity based chapter and I am sure you will love it. Now turn to page number 13 of your Maths Magic textbook, that is page number 1 of the chapter. Here we can see a picture of some children playing under a tamarind tree. Children are collecting the tamarind seeds. Now Radhika has collected 24 seeds, Gauri has collected 47 seeds, Sunil has collected 38 seeds, Indra has collected 54 seeds and Vicky has collected 42 seeds. Now you have to see the picture and fill in the blanks given below. Now first one. Now do you know what does tamarind means? It is called imli in Hindi. Now first one. Dash collected the most seeds. Most seeds means sabse zyada. Now who has collected the most seeds? It is Indra. She has collected 54 seeds. Second, Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. Now Vicky has collected 42 seeds and Sunil has collected 38 seeds. So Sunil has to collect 4 more seeds to be equal to Vicky. That is 42 minus 38 is equal to 4. So your is equal to 4. That is, the answer is 4 seeds. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have dash seeds. Now Radhika has collected 24 seeds and if we add 6 more seeds, it will be equal to 30 seeds. Fourth one. How many children have more than 40 seeds? Now Gauri has collected 47 seeds. Indra has collected 54 seeds and Vicky has collected 42 seeds. So 3 children have collected more than 40 seeds. Number 5. Dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Now here we have to see who has collected 50 minus 3, that is 47 seeds. Gauri has collected 47 seeds. So she needs 3 more seeds to have 50. So your answer will be Gauri. Number 6. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40 and Dash has 2 seeds more than 40. Now 2 seeds more than 40 gives 40 plus 2, that is 42 seeds. So who has collected 42 seeds? Vicky has collected 42 seeds. So your answer is Vicky. I hope you all have filled up the blanks. Now turn the page. It is a dot game. Guess the number of dots in the circle. Now count and check your guess. Play this game with your friends by making circles. See who can guess best. So this is a simple activity, children. Just put circles and count the dots. Next page. Now the third page. Now Dhoni's century. One day match between India and South Africa in Guwahati. India is batting first. Now Dhoni has scored 96 runs and 1 ball is left. Now century means how many runs, children? 100 runs. Now fill in the blanks. Dhoni scored 96 plus you have to fill up 4 to get 100. Right? Dhoni has to score 4 more runs to get a century. Now how many runs do these players need to complete a century? Now, 4 players are given there and the runs scored by them is given in the blue column. Now, you have to fill up how many runs they need to complete a century. Now, player 1 has scored 93 runs. So, how many more runs does he need? Just subtract these runs scored from 100. 100 minus 93 is 7. Player 2, he needs 100 minus 97, that is 3 runs. Player 3, he has scored 89 runs. Now 100 minus 89, that is he has to score 11 more runs. And player 4, he has scored 99, so he needs only 1 more run to get a century. Now page number 4. Now here you have to fill up the numbers and some of them you have to write in words. These children you have already learnt in standard 2. So it is very easy. I hope you will do it. Now page number 5 of the chapter. Top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup. Now the name of the batsmen have been given there and the runs scored by them. You have to fill in the blanks. First one, CK just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? Now look at the scoreboard. CK, he has scored 99 runs. So fill up 1 there. He needs 1 more run to complete his century. Second, Dash and Dash scored almost equal runs. Now children, almost equal. It is not equal. Almost means only minor difference will be there. So who have scored? Now see, APJ has scored 128 runs and VVS has scored 127 runs. That is difference of only 1 run. So fill up APJ and VVS. Next, fill in the blanks. Dash scored a complete century. No less, no more. Now who has scored a complete century? That is 100 runs. That is AS. Next, fill in the blanks. Most runs scored by any batsman are. Now most runs, that is highest number of runs. Who has scored? It is 178 runs scored by MD. Next, fill up. Dash and Dash have a difference of just 1 run between them. Now children, here we have 2 pairs. Now APJ has scored 128 runs and VVS has scored 127. So difference is only 1. This is the 1 pair. And the other one is AS. He has scored 100 runs and the other one is CK. He has scored 99 runs. Here also difference is 1 run. So either of them you can write. One you fill up and one you can write in the bracket. Last one, Dash scored 2 more runs than 1.5 century. Now 1.5 century means 1 century is 100 runs. Half century is 50 runs. That makes 150. And 2 more runs. Add 2 more runs, you will get 152. Now who has scored 152? It is KSP. Now next page. Counting in tens and counting in 50s. Now counting in tens. Children, this page is very easy. Just add 10 and go on writing the numbers. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I hope you got it. Just fill up. Then counting in 50s. That is, you have to add 50 and write the number. That is 200, 250. Next comes 300, 350, 400, 450. Just go on filling the blanks. Next page. Color the numbers. Now this is very interesting. Some clues are given below. You have to find them. Find the numbers in the box given above and you have to color them. Now see children, 3 colors are given: green, red and yellow. And some clues are given below them. So you have to find their answers in the box and put the respective colors. Now one example we'll do for 3 colors. Now first one is green, 140. Now you know how to write in figures. That is 140. We read it 140. Now where is 140? Find out in the box and color it green. Now for red, first one is 54. Find out 54 and color that box red. Then in yellow, 445. How will you write? 445. That is 445. Find 445 and color it yellow. Now, clues are very easy. Expanded form you know you have learnt in second. Find the answers and put the respective colors. Jumping animals. Now a big snake is given and numbers are written. Now 3 animals are there. Gabru, Bunny and Tarru. They are jumping all the way. Now Gabru jumps on every 7th box, Bunny on every 5th box and Tarru on every 4th box. Now children, use different colors for all the animals so that you will not get confused. Now how will you mark the loops? What is loop? The next jump on the box. Now Gabru starts jumping from 90. Now Gabru is a deer. He is standing at 90. Now he is taking 7 steps forward. So that means just add 7 to 90. That is 90 plus 7. Now he will take a jump on the box containing 97. So use one color and put the loops for Gabru. And Bunny, he takes 5 steps. So Bunny is standing on 99. So add 5. You will get 104. So from 99, Bunny will jump on 104. And Tarru, he takes 4th box. So he is standing on 106. 106 plus 4, he will jump to 110. So in this way, use 3 colors for 3 animals so that you will not get confused. And then just fill in the blanks where they jump after 10th jump. Just count the loops and fill up the blanks given on the next page. Now next page. Class jump. Now after animals, children are jumping. Now here you have to fill up the patterns. Now first one, jump 2 steps forward. Now children, you have to know the meaning of forward and backward. Forward means you have to add. They are going ahead. So look at the first one, 104. The next number is 106. That is, they are taking 2 steps forward. So you have to add 2 and fill up the missing numbers. Backward means going back. So 262. So here you have to minus 2 and fill the missing numbers. And below exercise, continue the pattern. So you have to see whether it is plus or minus and by how many numbers. Find out and fill up the missing numbers. First we'll do 550, then comes 560. So it is plus and find out the difference. 560 minus 550 is 10. That is, you have to add 10 and fill in the blanks. I hope you got it. Now, Lazy Crazy shop. This is the jungle shop. Lazy Crazy gives things only in packets of tens, hundreds and loose items. Now you have to find out how many packets of tens, hundreds and loose items each animal will take. Now we can see a shop there. Now Lazy Crazy is selling things in packets of hundreds, tens and some loose items. Now look at the first one. It is a bunny. He is buying carrots. Now how many did he buy? 1 packet of 100, 4 packets of 10 and 3 loose carrots. So total how many? 143. Now you know the place values. You have learnt it. So total is 143. Now Bunny is buying 143 carrots. Second one also will do. Elephant is buying sugarcane. Now, how many packets of 100? It is in hundreds place. What is the digit there? 2. So, 2 packets of 100, 1 packet of 10 and 0 loose items. So, fill up 2, 1, 0. Remaining 2, try yourself. Now, next page. Lazy Crazy also has a crazy way of taking money. He takes only in 100 rupee notes, 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coins. Now find out how they will pay him for what they have taken. Now children, rupees 420. Now elephant has to pay 420 rupees. Now how many notes of rupees 100 he has to give? 4 notes of rupees 100, 2 notes of rupees 10. So 400 rupees plus 20 rupees, it will come to rupees 420. Bunny is paying rupees 143. So how many notes of rupees 100? 1 note of rupees 100, 4 notes of rupees 10 and 3 coins of rupee 1. Now the monkey is paying rupees 242. So 2 notes of rupees 100, 4 notes of rupees 10 and 2 coins of rupee 1. That will make rupees 242. Now deer is paying rupees 55. That is 5 notes of rupees 10 and 5 coins of rupee 1. That makes up 55. Now children, for this working I have given in the notes given. So you can find the working there and solve. Next, who am I? Now you have to match with the number. Now clue is given. You have to find the answer and match them. First one, I come between 40 and 50 and there is a 5 in my name. Now between 40 and 50 means you don't have to include 40 and 50. So from 41 to 49, which number contains 5? That is 45. Second, I have 9 in my name and I am very close to 90. So which is that number? Find out. It is 89. If you hit a 4 after me, you score a century. So what is the answer? 100 minus 4 is 96. Next one. I am equal to 10 notes of 10. So 10 notes of 10 makes 100. I am century plus half century. That is 150. I am exactly in between 77 and 97. So which is that number? It is 87. Next page. How many are these? 2 notes of rupees 100 and 4 notes of rupees 10. So total rupees 240. Next one. 3 bundles of 100 sticks. 1 bundle of 10 sticks and 9 loose sticks. So total 319 sticks. Remaining 3 you have to try yourself. Now next page. Here is a story. I am Chanda Mama. I have so many friends which twinkle in the sky. Yes, you are right. My friends are stars. One day all of them came to my home. I started counting to see how many friends had come. But my friends were too many. So to remember their numbers, I did something like this. Now, Moon Mama counts his starry friends. So he started counting the stars. He started counting 1. He put a blue card aside. Then 2, second card. In this way he started counting. He came up to 10 cards. Then now he was getting confused. So what he did? For 10 blue cards, he has put 1 yellow card. That means 10 in number. So blue number 1 card and yellow card is of 10 stars. Now again he started counting. He had 10 yellow cards. Again he got confused. So what he did? For 10 yellow cards, he had put 1 green card. That is 100. Now children, 1 blue colored triangle is 1 number. Then that is units, and then 1 yellow colored square card is of 10 stars and 1 green oval shaped card is of 100. Now see the next page. Now which cards will I have in my pocket if I have counted up to? Now some numbers are given, you have to put those cards. Now for example 19. For 19, how many cards will he keep? Now in tens place we have 1. So 1 yellow card. That means 1 yellow card is 10 in numbers. So 1 yellow card, and for 9, 1 blue cards. So it will make up to 19. Now second also will do. 21. So how many yellow cards will he keep? Square cards, yellow. 2 cards, and 1 is blue card, triangle shaped blue card. That will make 21. Come on, 1 more will do. 95. So how many 10 yellow cards? 9. So put 9 yellow cards and 5 blue cards. It will make up to 95. So remaining, I think you will get it. Now the last page. Now children, on this page, he has given you the cards. You have to count and write the numbers. Now that is very easy, isn't it? 2 yellow cards, that is 10 plus 10. It is 20. Come to the next one. Yellow cards. 2. So, 2 tens and 6 blue cards. That is, it makes up to 26. Third one, 3 green cards. That is 100 each. So, 300 and 1 yellow card. That is 310. Now, we'll do the last one. Middle one, once you have to finish on your own. Then last one we'll see, children. Green cards. 10 green cards are there. That is 10 cards of 100 each. It will make up to 1000. Now children, in class 3 you have numerals up to 1000. How will you write 1000? 1 0 0 0. I hope you have understood the chapter. Some I have given you to do yourself. Try them. Again, if we get time, we'll do in the class and I will clear your doubts.